Hello my lovely people. In today's videos you can see I'm going to be showing you how I revive my old human hair to new one. Actually, I was about to abandon the weave-on, so I said let me bring it back to life. So I'm going to be showing you the process I use in bringing it back to life, reviving the old wigs. So let's get started. My returning subscriber, you are welcome. My lovely subscriber, thank you for always tuning in. God richly bless you. So guys, stay tuned, watch to the end and see how we make this one. So if you are watching this here, I use this shampoo. I used to use this this shampoo to wash my weave-on always. It's very good for human hair, so it's very good. So I'm starting it now to start wash the hair. Just been washing with warm water, just a bit warm water. So let's get started, guys. Thank you all.
I'm not your fun controller. Can you find a nice gun boy and keep them in your hand now? Delete the chatting records. PYQ for 3 days on now. Hey, do you really like me? Tryna get closer, see, but that's just your camouflage like that. Knowing you lie. Spend the lonely night, better to play games right. Even teammates like me more than you did. Anytime 感就像在你手机里不停闪 L plus R input 的循环试着直的说着生活有多简单 Wake up in the morning it's a better round 是不是觉得没有他照样 keep life 像是那无忧无虑的 hearty fire If she keeps coming to it every time Feel angry and say Please get out my sight I'm not your fucking toy Can you find a gun boy And keep that in your hands And delete the chatting records PYQ for 3 days.
So for the second process, I will be adding my conditioner on a bowl so to soften the hair. So I will be adding also my Jamaica black castor oil to make the hair shine. So if I finish washing the hair, so I will not apply any oil again. So I will just be applying these two conditioner and then black castor oil to make the conditioner will make it soft and the black castor oil will make it shine, so that I will not add anything when I'm finished washing the hair. So I will be adding my cook water. So I just boil the water. I will be adding it for some minutes. I will put the hair inside. I will just soak it for some minutes, like 5 to 10 minutes. So don't let it longer than 5 to 10 minutes, so it will not damage the hair. So I will just be soaking it for 10 minutes or 5 minutes, depends of your choice. I'll just be soaking it down. Then I will leave it. After this one, I'm going to just whisk it and start the other process.
Can't get triple light, feel upset yourself every time. 等不到的也许就是现在。You don't give a fuck, fresh around you anyway. Anytime 感应就像在那手机里不停猜 L plus R input 死循环试了直的骂着他的不间断却又被他牵着鼻子走无限转是不是觉得没有他就没有 life 像失去了氧气的 candle fire Can't hold the growing knowing my desire Feel bad and say Please get out my sight
So like I said before, after soaking for 10 minutes, I'll just be resting it, then I will bring it to my manicure and dry. So I'm drying it now.
Delete the chatting records PYQ for 3 days
So it's dry now. I'll just be stretching it now with my light eyes. Just be combing and stretching it at the same time. So I don't want this video to be too long. That's why I will just be combing at the same time and stretching it. Normally that's how it's supposed to be, so I'm stretching it now to make it faster for me. So guys, if you know you have not subscribed to this channel, what are you waiting for? Please subscribe for me, share for other people to see. So I'm still on it, I'm stretching it now. Thank you for always stopping by for your support. 觉得没有假装 Yankee life， 享受到无忧无虑的 hearty fire。 If she keeps coming to it every time, feel angry and say, please get out my sight. I'm not your factor, can't find a scramble and keep that in your hands and delete the chatting records. PYQ for 3 days on. Na 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 na. Da 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 da. So I ended up patting it on the side because then before the hair was a center part, so because it has eaten up on the center, so I decided to add another part to pat it on the side. So I ended up trimming a lot of the rest of the closure at the front because I turn it to side part because of the side the center part is already damaged because the hair is has pulled off. So I now create another part for the hair. So this is it, guys. If you like this video, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up, like, share for other people to see. This motivates someone to maintain your old human hair that you think, oh, I'm tired of it, I want to throw it away. So you can revive it back to life again and use it again once more or many more times. So this is it. I'm in love with this hair again now. I'm not ready to dump it. I will still be using it to slay my slay and shine my shine. So guys, thank you for always watching my video. Bye bye.